Now, to get a graduate from the Central University will be a cup of tea for you all because Infinity classes are going to conduct a crash course for CUET, that's mean Central University Entrance Test. So dear students, if you're dreaming to get graduate in BA Honors, BCom Honors, BSc and Biotech from the universities like AMU, Aligarh Muslim University, BHU, Banaras Hindu University, DU, Delhi University and all the deemed universities. So now get ready with the Infinity classes which are going to run in Palia with their crash course CUET with highly trained and professional teachers Master Gautam Manna, Master Surendra, Master Bajpayee and last but not least Mr. Ravi Gupta. So don't miss this opportunity and get enrolled as soon as possible in a Palia with the offline classes. For more details, the number mentioned above, call and get detailed inquiry on this number. Thank you.